Let's go, let's go.
Ooh, Salt Bay.
Yeah.
Cut that
Perfect.
Hello, my foodies, and welcome to How to Foodie Nation. You are here today with myself, Natalie, and my friend Dave. And today we are going to be making.
We're going to be making chicken kebabs.
Ooh. So, by the looks of it, it seems pretty simple.
It is very simple.
So,
very,
what do
very
we have
simple.
here?
So what we're going to do first when making chicken kebabs, right? Our wooden skewers are actually soaking in water because you need to do that so they don't burn through,
Okay.
right? The first step is that we are going to make our seasoning and to marinate our chicken, right?
Right.
So we have here some boneless chicken breasts that's been cut up in nice, decent sizes.
Okay.
About 1.5 inches all around kind of stuff, right?
This
it's
is
good.
So that it fits nicely on a kebab
Yeah,
stick.
it's going to be like good meaty pieces as well,
Right.
not tiny little.
Tiny pieces.
Yeah, exactly, right? Today, we are actually going to be using powders, right? Now, we have garlic powder, we have onion powder, some paprika, and some black pepper. We have a little bit of vegetable oil as well, right? I feel like onion powder and stuff, it gets a really bad rap. You know, people tend to say, well, I'd rather use real garlic. Yeah, but these exist for a reason, right? And what I find personally is these powders work really well when you're doing a long marinade of with your protein, when it goes on the grill or goes in the oven. I tend to want to, make life a little bit easier and just use some powders. So today we're going to use these nice ready ingredients, make life a little bit easy for ourselves, right?
I usually use the powder and I throw
Yeah.
real ingredients.
Yeah, you could.
But I'm here for tasting your hand today.
All right, yeah, so, right? The good thing about it, with the powder, it sticks. It
Okay.
coats.
Right.
It spreads nicely.
Yes.
Right? Good. So, a little bit of oil.
So we put in the oil. You previously taught me that putting oil with your season helps all the season stick to your protein.
It helps it stick, but also helps it absorb into the
Absorb as
protein
well.
itself,
Okay,
right? So,
glad
yeah.
you hear that.
So, exactly. That oil, you could just eyeball it,
Yeah.
no big measurement. We're going in with some garlic powder. I love garlic, right? Clearly.
Me too.
Onion powder. I love onion powder. You don't see it being used often enough, I think. Right? Love it. Yeah, I'm gonna go heavy. And this is gonna put the color,
Color.
a little bit of
Paprika.
smokiness as well. Some paprika,
Right.
right? A little bit of black pepper, which is your seasoning building block, foundation block. Right?
Yeah.
As before, I tend not to put any salts. You know why? I think it pulls out the moisture. I will season with salt when it's on the grill.
And you want your chicken very moist, juicy.
Exactly, right? So I want that moisture to stay inside.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes. Oh, so now we're going to the seasoning. You have to massage your meat to
Yeah.
become soft and readily available to be sucked and chewed and
yeah,
Guys.
exactly. I find you just do this real good.
I could, you see, after you give your companion a nice full meal, just practice.
Practice.
You practice,
Yeah,
yeah. You know what
yeah,
I mean?
you had to-
Practice.
you had to practice down.
You just had to go and practice to rub his back and put him back to sleep.
That's lovely. You do a really good job. But immediately what you begin to see is you see how the coating becomes
Yes.
easier. Yeah. And the
Yeah.
coating gets more thorough.
Yes.
Right? Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My meat is very well relaxed and not going to
Yeah.
be stiff.
Exactly, right? So, nicely coated, paprika is giving it the color, the smokiness, the garlic and the onion, we're getting those aromas already coming up, even though
Sure.
it's humble powders, right? This is going to marinate again, as long as it could. Overnight is great, hours okay, more than that is better, right?
Right.
30 minutes at a minimum, right? Just make sure you wait some time. In the fridge, then be ready to go.
Right, so our meat has been marinating for quite some time. So it's about that time now that we get things cracking, right?
Yeah.
So I see you have coals.
So I have coals. I have the actual grill part from this giant bad boy right there,
Okay.
right? Which is my personal grill, right? And what we're doing now, we just want to show you all a really fast way to get those coals lit, right? Where you don't have to set up with, an old newspaper and fan for 3.7 hours. We're going to show you a fast way to get it done, right? So we have here just some of your regular crocus bag of coals. Gonna put a nice piece on. I want a piece like about this size here, right? Just to finish off the little mountain that we built here,
Okay.
right? Gonna light. And you want it as high as possible. That's it. No matter what, this is going to light.
So we had this barrel, you know, you make the barrels outside to grill.
Yeah.
So instead of me using a newspaper to fan, I decided I'm going to use my blow dryer. Right? So
I see where this is going already. Well, go ahead.
But young me, not smart me, decided I'm plugging extension cord with my blow dryer. And well, the entire bedroom curtain, it was up in flames because you're not supposed to plug in a blow dryer into an extension cord. That is not heavy duty.
Yeah, no.
And that could have caused my house to burn down.
Just next time,
So,
you know what? Next time, here what?
Next
Next time, you fan for the 3 hours. You stick with the newspaper.
But you showed me a method now that I can get this thing cracking faster. So.
Yeah, so basically, I'm just going to leave this alone. We're going to come back to this in about 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
These are going to be lit, right? Then we're going to transfer it from there into the grill. We're going to put some unlit coals on top. That's it. That's all you need to do. Easy.
So Dave, I'm seeing our coals are lit.
Didn't have to do anything, right?
Right.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to go from the top very carefully. We're just going to layer the lit coals. Make sure you pick up the ones that are always on the top and then go around, right?
Okay.
Just going to layer that nicely. Right? And take your time.
Don't take too much time at your metal
Tongs.
overheat because you know metal is a conductor.
Yeah.
So you're going to burn your hands.
All right, there we go. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take fresh coal, unlit coal, put it on top, let that catch, and then we just wait. That's all. No fuss, no extra work, etc. When that is lit, then we're going to come back with some nice food.
Guys, our coal are hot. Our meat is marinated. We are back with our hydrated skewers.
Hydrated skewers, I love it, yeah.
So Dave, what's the first step?
All right, so this is a really simple kebab. We're just gonna go with the most basic ingredients that you need. You can add more if you want. If you want to add pineapple, you want to add mushroom, you want to add something else, right? Just make sure that it will taste good as grilled, right? We just have onion, right? It's been cut and each layer has been separated.
Right.
Sweet pepper or green pepper, right? And our chicken. That's it. We do have some salt, and this is what is going to go on when we put it onto the grill itself, right?
Okay.
So let me just demonstrate one. So these were soaking for a nice long time, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to go, yeah, 2 is fine. In. Some nice green pepper. In. Right? What I want to do, I want to make sure that I have it a little tight. So a little bit of a fold there.
That helps keep the juices in?
That helps keep the juices in. And it's easier to turn, yeah?
Okay.
So. Onion. Oops. Right. Little green pepper. Some
I'll
chicken.
definitely enjoy this kebab most.
Oh yeah.
Because you know why? There's a lot more meat than the regular kebabs that we are buying or seeing out and about.
For sure.
With a million veg and 2 pieces of meat.
Yeah, for sure. This is like real kind of luxury kebabs.
Yes.
Right? So 2 pieces. And you know, we could do 3 pieces of chicken for each kebab. We could do 4. We could do, you know, basically whatever you want. Right? Don't make it too heavy, so it'll be hard to turn. Some onion. Grab one. And guys, obviously, because I'm handling raw protein, raw chicken, yeah, and I'm handling vegetables at the same time, don't reuse vegetables that you were using before. If you have extra, get it out, throw it away.
Salmonella food poisoning is real.
They're very real. And we do one last piece here. That looks good. Yeah.
This is an amazing kebab for sure.
Crown it off. And there we go. And that's that. That's one kebab.
Fab.
You wanna make one?
Yes. We start bad? No, I start
No,
right.
you started right, yeah. Hey, it have no right and wrong and bad and not bad. If you want to start with a piece of sweet pepper, you go right ahead.
Oh wait, you know, looking at it. There. Oh right, okay.
Right? Pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah. Chicken.
Chicken. Squeeze it down.
Yeah, nice fold. Good. Yeah. And onion. And you just repeat the process.
Right. Better I start making these in salads. Would you buy?
And guys, as you can see on the side of Natalie there, we have our coals that's been already lit. The unlit coals are catching nicely. The heat is going up on that grill itself. It's going to be really good, right? So it's always important. Start the coals first, then assemble your kebabs. You need that action going first before you assemble.
Okay, our kebabs are complete.
Yep, they're assembled.
Time for cooking.
They're ready to rock and roll.
Yes.
The grill is angry and ready to erupt on us. It's saying like, put some meat on me now. So we're going to abide by it, right? Mm-hmm. Going to lift it. And here we have 4, right? So I want it like this. We do have 1 extra, so we'll handle that one right after, right? Now remember, Nat, that we didn't put salt, did we?
No.
Right? This is what we're doing now. That's why I like the little grinder, the salt grinders. To me, it's quite easier to do it this way.
Okay. And then, but why though?
Why? Because I think I get a better spread than if I would be like with normal table salt and trying to sprinkle like that. You might get a clump, you know?
Yeah.
So
plus
when
I
I go
think
like
it
that,
seasons the vegetable as well too, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Get a nicer spread. There
Yeah.
we go. So we salted one side. When we flip them, we're gonna flip the other side when it's ready, and we're gonna salt that side. That's
Okay.
it, right?
Fab.
Good. So these are on the grill. What we have to do now, cover, right? Notice all the vent holes are open. We're gonna come back in about 10 minutes and check it.
Okay.
That's about it.
So we left it long enough.
How that's smelling?
Amazing.
Right, so that is the garlic powder, the onion powder, the paprika, the smoke, the flame, just everything just coming together really nice, right? So let's go ahead and flip, right?
Yes.
So it's just been about 10 minutes, guys.
Ooh, look at that charred
Look at the color.
exterior.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Perfection. I'm gonna be Salt Bay today from the other side.
Yeah, sure. Right, let me just get a little space in between each one. All right, this one kind of misbehaving. There we go. Now here's what I want you to do. When you're grinding, go from high.
Yeah.
Yeah, and move your hands back and forth. You're gonna get a nice spread on that. Let's go.
Ooh.
Turn it completely. There you go.
Salt Bay.
Yeah.
Cut
Perfect.
it up.
That is
Great.
perfect, right?
So do we cover it back?
We cover it back. Same amount of time, another 10
Still
minutes.
open.
Yeah. We will be in our gear, and that's it. That's all you need. That's all you have to do. So there's no fiddling, there's no constantly checking it, there's no running around with a set of barbecue sauce, etc. Just like this.
We're back and it's eating time.
It is eating time. These are done. All right. Nice char on each one.
Grilled it to perfection.
Perfect. Cook thoroughly. That's important. right?
Something the oven doesn't do.
Yeah. And then we have this nice, beautiful one right here.
Fabulous.
Ah, niceness. Good. So, that is our chicken kebabs. They are hot, they are smoky, they are charred, they are flavorful. And all that is left now is to
Dive in.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at it. Ooh. C'est ma peur. Amen.
How good is that?
So moist. Look at it. I'm sure your mouth is watering through that camera.
No sauce, no anything like that needed. This is just the perfect flavors for chicken breast.
Oh,
Yeah.
the flavor just soaked right in.
And you get the nice charred sweetness from the onion, the sort of like nice heartiness from the green pepper. Yeah. Excellent.
Vegetables. Perfect. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know how good this tastes because it's amazing. We'll see you next time.